Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful paper quilling flower wreath wall decor or the room decor. So in this video you will find how to make the wreath base, how to arrange all these flowers in the 3D look, how to create this cute butterfly, and how you can frame this to make it dust free and to enhance the beauty of your room. Isn't it looking very pretty? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking cardboard piece and I have drawn one big circle which is having 14 cm diameter and one small circle which is having 8 cm diameter. So I am going to cut both the circles to create the ring shape for our wreath base. First I am cutting the inner circle using paper cutter. And then outer circle I will cut directly using scissors. So the ring is ready. Now I am just sanding the cut part little bit to make it smooth using sandpaper. Like this, and with the similar method I have prepared one more ring of same size. So just joining both the cardboard rings together so that we will have sturdy base. I am sticking it together nicely using liquid glue. Like this. Then taking one sap green color craft paper which is little bigger in size than the ring, add glue and sticking it on the sap green color paper. Then we have to cut the center part like this using paper cutter. And then one by one I am going to add these parts upward to the ring using glue. So the inner part is attached nicely. Now for the outer part I am cutting fringes like this, add glue and stick it with the ring. So just completing this whole cutting. And after doing the complete sticking work, it will look like this. Now on the back side I am attaching double layer of cardboard pieces on the whole surface to give little dimension to the wreath. It will lift our flowers little more. Then here I am taking this beautiful pattern paper which measures 18 by 18 centimeters and exactly in the center of this I am going to attach my wreath base. Just use the ruler to measure from all the sides. The wreath circle should be exactly in the center, and if you are happy, then just press it nicely, firmly, and stick it very well. And the base for our work is ready. Then in previous video I have already shown how to create these 5 different styles of 3D flowers along with the matching filler flowers. If you haven't checked it, I have given link in description box, you can check there. And now it's time to arrange all our flowers on the wreath. So I'm starting with the roses, and then one by one I will arrange the remaining flowers. After that, it's time to attach the matching filler flowers. So wherever there are small gaps, just filling it with the matching fillers. After that, I have created 6 different styles of leaves as well, which I have shown in the same flower tutorial video. So I am attaching these leaves also here and there around the flowers. Like this, and then our wreath is completely ready, looking very beautiful. After that, I am showing you how to make the butterfly for the center part. So here I am taking half strip of dark pink color in 2 mm and making one big teardrop shape. Similarly, I have prepared one more and one in black color. So I'm just sandwiching all 3 petals together, pink, black and pink, and wrapping this whole wing using dark pink color strip. So the upper wing is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more upper wing, and for the lower wing I have used 1/4 strips of all 3 shades to create the lower part with the same method, and also one more leaf shape using 1/4 strip of black color in 2 mm for the center body of the butterfly. And then it's time to join all the parts together and making the butterfly shape. Then here I am attaching 2 small antennas, which are simple scrolls made using 1/8 strip of black color in 2 mm on both sides. And allow it to dry completely. So it's dried, and I have just pushed little bit in the center, that is on the body, to uplift the wings, so it will have the 3D effect. Just eyeball in the center and stick it nicely. Then allow it to dry for a few minutes, and tada! The wings are nicely dried and our beautiful 3D flower wreath is completely ready. You can use this complete frame to decorate your wall. You can put it on your desk and it will definitely enhance the beauty of your area more. Here I have this shadow box frame ready made, so I'm just taking out the back cardboard and putting my 3D work inside this to protect it from dust. And in this way you can create beautiful wreath for the Christmas decoration or for any other occasion. You can gift it on anniversaries, birthdays, and you can also spray a little bit of perfume on the flowers so that it will have nice fragrance, and you can also convert this into greeting card as well. So just locking the frame from back side, and a beautiful 3D flower wreath is completely ready. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments eagerly. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.